How to stop all incoming calls without flight or airplane mode. Want to stop all incoming calls but without flight or airplane mode? Then this video is exactly for you. First of all, launch phone app on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select settings. Under general, tap calling accounts. Choose career related settings. Open call forwarding. Wait for a moment until all options get loaded on this section. Now toggle on button for always forward and enter the fake number that doesn't even exist. Now tap OK button. And once the feature has been updated, your all incoming calls will be stopped without flight or airplane mode. That's it. I hope this video worked. If this worked, hit the like button, share and comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.